Sorry, Gina. Kung dinadaan ko sa galit ang nararamdaman ko. Pero ang totoo, nakukonsensya rin ako. Kaya kailangan kita dito, be. Dahil pakiramdam ko nagiging mahina ako. Kailangan kita. Kailangan ko na makakapitan.
Hi, Robert. You know, I just flew in from Venice a few days ago. And guess what? Andito na ako sa supermarket mo to check that everything is perfect at walang maling makakalusot sa akin.
Wow, Viv. Ni hindi ka man lang nag-abiso. Ay, it's okay. I'm glad that you're back. Oh, I'll be there in a minute. Pero teka muna, sayang. Hindi mo nakita si Gina. She's now in New York.
Really? Oh, that's too bad. I was looking forward pa naman na, magkakatulungan kami na ayusin yung mga import ng products ko. O, so sino mag-aayos ngayon ng mga duties at saka yung mga clearances ng mga produkto?
Don't worry, Viv. Si Betsy will take care of that.
Betsy? Betsy who?
My wife. She's my wife.
Your wife? I'm sorry. Meron ka na palang new wife.
Magpapahanda ako ng welcome dinner for you. Para we can catch up, alright? Same time, makikilala mo na rin si Betsy.
Okay. We'll catch up then. But alam mo naman ako, Robert, di ba? Business is always a priority, so I'll try my best to squeeze it into my schedule. Okay? I'll see you.
Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Oh, Truffle Mustard. Kini-carry na pala nila itong brand na to. Oh, interesting.
Anong tinitingnan mo? Kanina ko pinapansin yung sosyal na babaeng yan eh. Kanina pa siya nag-o-observe ah. Saka iniisa-isa niya yung mga items doon sa imported goods section.
Sige na, gawin mo na yung inuutos ko. Ako nang bahala sa babaeng to. Duda ako sa kinikilos niya eh. Sige na! Hoy, anong ginagawa mo? Shoplifter ka, no?
Excuse me? Did I hear you right? You called me a shoplifter?
Oo, at mukhang matagal mo nang gawain yan. Mga mamahalin at imported na items pa yung dinedekwat mo.
This is really ridiculous. How dare you call me a shoplifter?
Akala mo madadaan mo ka sa pa-English-English mo at peking pa-sosyal mo? Mukhang mamahalin nga yung damit mo, pero sigurado ako, Class A lang yan. Kunwari, mayaman para hindi halatang magnanakaw. Pero sigurado ako, madami ka nang naposlip dyan sa bag mo.
This is terrible. You want to check my bag? By all means, call the guards. Provided you do the search in the right process.
Tapang mo ah. Patingin nga ako ng bag mo.
Wait a minute. Where's your manager? I'll have to report you to the manager because of your very inappropriate behavior.
Gaga ka pala eh. Gusto mo akong i-report eh. Ako ang asawa ng may-ari ng supermarket na to.
Really? I'm sorry, you don't look like one. And you definitely don't act like one. Hindi ko yung tipong papatulan ng lalaking sinasabi mong asawa mo. But anyway, you wanna check my bag? Let me help you.
Hindi na. Plastikada ka. Kaya ko na to. Guard! Guard, huliin niyo to! May shoplifter dito! Shoplifter to! Ay, huliin niyo na!
Sino shoplifter?
Ayan o,
Nasaan?
yung babaeng yan.
Robert?
Vivian!
Ini-stress ako nitong staff mo eh.
Well, finally, you're here.
Hindi ako staff!
At hindi rin ako shoplifter.
I'm sorry, there's a misunderstanding. I'm sorry if they misunderstood you for a shoplifter. I'm sorry, but my wife accidentally...
She is your wife?
Yes.
Siya si Betsy?
Yes, Vivian. Meet my wife, Betsy. Love, siya si Vivian, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Naku. Naku, kayo po pala si Vivian. Sorry. Sorry, sana kasi nagpakilala ka agad. At sorry, na-judge kita. Tao lang, di ba? At na-judge mo rin naman ako ng slight.
Really? Paano?
Ayaw niya kasing maniwala na mag-asawa tayo. Sabi niya, hindi daw ako yung tipong babae na magugustuhan mo.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Alam mo naman ako, Robert. I'm very, very outspoken. Especially when it comes to my opinions of people.
Well, Vivian, why don't we do this? Why don't we continue our dinner tonight? I'm sure that both of you, can talk about things and get to know each other better. Right?
Well, that could be a good idea. Para naman mas makilala ko pa yung asawa mo.
Well. You're right, you're right. Oh my God. Unforgettable.
I know. Can you imagine? 7 years ago na pala yung tour natin sa Europe. And isn't it amazing how time flies?
I know, huh? We had so much fun, remember?
I know.
Grabe, remember, especially kami ni Minda. Yung scenic height namin dun sa...
Cinque Terre.
Cinque Terre, remember that?
Eh, di kayo na nakapag-hike sa Europa.
It was so much fun. Sobra. Whew.
Oh, let me help you with that, Betsy.
Hindi na kaya ko na to. Hindi ko naman siguro kailangan makapunta pa ng Europa para matutong mag-crack ng alimasag.
Betsy, I think you should be open to learn. You know, your husband here, Robert, is one of the most intelligent men I've ever met. Siguro naman dapat kahit papaano pantayan mo yon, di ba? Like, explore. So you can at least sharpen your mind.
So ang sinasabi mo, mapuro lang utak ko?
Love. Love, hindi yun ang ibig niyong sabihin. Hindi yun.
Buti na lang kilala ako ni Robert. Right, Rob?
Of course.
Close kayo, no? Matagal na kayo magkakilala?
Oo, matagal na. Love, college days pa. Alam mo, komportable kami sa isa't isa. Ang lalim na ng nagsamahan namin. Alam mo ba, let me tell you, siya ang aking first girlfriend.
Mag-ex-jowa kayo?